In today's lesson, we are going to continue looking at Zimsec Maths 2021 paper 1. So I will continue from number 2b. The question says, find the value of 10 minus 10 divided by 2 plus 2 times 2. So this is the way I would do this question. For it to be easier, you can put brackets where there is division and where there is multiplication, and then you solve that part first. You're going to get 10 minus 10 divided by 2, you get 5. Then you say plus, and 2 times 2, you get 4. You can rewrite the question as 10 plus 4 minus 5. Here you're going to get 14 minus 5, and your answer is going to be equal to 9. Okay, and then on the next question it says, write down the next term in the sequence 2, 3, 5, 8, 12. So this is what you need to do when you're looking at number sequences. You need to know exactly what is happening, what is common in that sequence. So if we rewrite the sequence, we're going to write 2 here, we write 3, we write 5 there, we write 8 and 12, and they are saying you should write the next term in that sequence. So you're going to realize here we have got a difference of 1, here we have got a difference of 2, here you have a difference of 3, there difference of 4, which means here we are supposed to have a difference of 5. So our answer is going to be 12 plus 5, and you get your answer is 17. Okay, so let's move on and look at the next question. In this question it says simplify 20 minus 8 all over 20 plus 8, giving your answer as a common fraction in its simplest form. So this is what you do. You have got 20 minus 8 on top and 20 plus 8 at the bottom. So you solve the figures on top first. That's 20 minus 8 and you get 12. At the bottom you have 20 plus 8 and you get 28. The common factor here is 4. 4 into this you get 7, and 4 into this you get 3. So your answer is 3 over 7 in its simplest form. And number 4a, part 1, it says list the prime numbers between 14 and 20. So what you can do, you can just write all the numbers from 14 to 20. That's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so a prime number is a number with only two factors, 1 and itself. But if you look at 14, you have more than 2 factors, because 2 is a factor, 7 is a factor, 1 is a factor. 15, you have more than 2 as well. 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 15 is a factor. And 16, you have got 4 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 8 is a factor. So it's not. And then you look at 17. 17 is an example of a prime number because it only has 2 factors, which is 1 and 17. You look at 18, more than 2 factors. 19 also is another prime number, and 20 is not, because 10 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 5, 4, all those numbers are factors. So list the prime numbers between 14 and 20. So the prime numbers are 17 and 19. 17 and 19. Okay, and the next one says write the number 801,008 in words. So the way I'm reading it is the way you're supposed to write it. So here you're going to say 800 800 So it's 801 801,000 and 8 and 8. Okay, so that is your answer for 4A part 2. And the last question that we're going to look at is for part B, which says express 6.65 hours in hours and minutes. So you're going to realize we have 6.65 hours, right? Which means we have 6 hours, 6 complete hours, but the fractional part is only this one, which is 0.65. So if you take 0.65 and you multiply it by 60, which is a complete hour, you're going to get, here you get 0, here that's 30, get 3, and here that's 36 plus 3, that's 39. And if you put 2 decimal places here, you're going to get 39. So which means it's 39 minutes. 0.65 is equal to 39 minutes. So now you write your answer as 6 hours 39 minutes. Okay, that's all I had for you in today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.